Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 430D M Sport Coupe in black sapphire metallic. So alongside that fantastic exterior colour, we've also added a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit to the car, and the vehicle itself does come with some very nice BMW options. We've also added a set of brand new 405M style alloy wheels to the car, and they come with 4 brand new tyres as well. Sitting behind those wheels you will see the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this car that does mean we've got the full BMW M Sport Plus package. It's a 2016 66 reg, does come with the Angel Eye and xenon headlamps, and down the side of the car, as well as the BMW gloss black air breathers, we've also added a set of colour coordinated sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals. On the rear windows you'll see the sun protection glazing, and that is of course also thanks to the M Sport Plus package. Again, moving on to show you the interior, we've got a very special highlight seats on this car. As you can see there, we get the fantastic 3M stripe throughout and the blue stitching on these black Dakota leather seats, which come with electric movement and memory, along with heated seats as well. We've also of course got the Harman Kardon surround sound, again thanks to having the M Sport Plus package. Rear seats do compose of an ISOFIX 3-seat rear bench, a central folding armrest, and again a lovely darkened M Sport headlining, which is all in superb condition. 8-speed sports automatic gearbox of course, and we shall now move round to the rear of the car, not before showing you those fantastic brand new wheels once again, and you can of course see the standout M Sport Plus calipers in blue once again. At the back we've gone for a high gloss rear boot spoiler and matching rear diffuser for this 430D. Opening up the boot, you can see how large the boot area is. If you've not yet seen one, you'll be very pleasantly surprised. That's a very big area in there, and you do also get split folding seats, making this a really practical everyday car that you can use, and you really are going to want to with that fantastic diesel engine. And of course all of the nice options on board this one, making it that even a bit more special. Round at the other side, again the black sapphire really does work very nicely with all of the additions we've made, alongside again showing you off those alloy wheels that really do make a very nice statement about this car. Moving on inside, I'll show you around a little bit more detail, including those memory functions for the driver's side. And of course we've also got the lovely professional wide navigation and media screen, and we'll start the car up and just run yourselves through a couple of features of that in a second. I've also got dual climate control, and we also find these switches for these lovely heated seats there as well. So starting with the sat nav, which uses real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. And we've also got Bluetooth telephone and audio, along with a wide array of multimedia inputs as well, including DAB, the music collection, AUX, CD, DVD inputs, along with USB inputs as well. Going through in a second, I'll show you the service requirements and service history for this 430D. It's covered just over 42,000 miles. I did of course mention the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. It does have cruise control, a speed limiter function, and voice and volume controls as well. Onto the service requirements now, and as you can see there, everything is highlighted in green. The next service is not due for 19,000 miles time, and up at service requirements you can see there we've got 2 services at BMW and a very recent one, and that was for a full service including all of the filters, which is great news because it does of course mean the next service is just going to need a very basic oil and oil filter change. However, you've not got to worry about that for 19,000 miles time, or of course the 2 years which is specified by the long life service intervals from BMW. So thank you for taking the time to watch this walk around video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it and found it useful. If you do have or do want to get in touch with us here, I'll always leave our contact details in the description, alongside a link to our website for you to get in touch with us. However, the best way to stay up to date with all of the latest and newest stock here at Your Next Car is to click the subscribe button, along with clicking the notification bell icon. That way every time I post a video here, you'll be the first to see it. Thank you very much. Do of course take care, and we'll hopefully see you soon. Take care. Goodbye.